Today I'm going to show you how to do the Michigan plate fee calculator in Google Chrome and give you a step-by-step guide. So first things first, what we're going to do is I'm opening Chrome. As you can see, I've already got it up on my page here, and then I am going to go to this website that should be saved as a favorite for you in Chrome. So for me, I have it starred as a favorite, and it's saved as e-services. Here is your website. That way you can go ahead and save that. I've also gone ahead and added a step-by-step guide to the hub. It's a PDF file found in training under resources, and Michigan plate fee calculator is the guide that you're going to want for that. So it takes you through the exact same thing I'm showing you here in a paper form. So first thing that I'm going to do in my search bar, I'm going to go with a new plate. Okay, so this is for a new plate as my first example. I'm going to type in registration fee calculator, and you're going to see the tab right here with a link to open up my registration fee calculator. From there, I'm going to go ahead and take care of the drop downs. All of the red are things I have to, are mandatory to fill out. So first things first, the vehicle type. Let's say that I am selling a 2025 Ram 1500. In this case, that would be a pickup truck. So I'm going to go ahead and select my pickup truck, and then it already pre-filled my pickup for the body style, and it is going to be used. My customer is using this for personal use, so that is just going to be what it's already pre-selected, regular, non-commercial. My fuel type. Okay, if this was a diesel, I would need to change this to a diesel. If this was also an electric or a hybrid, I would need to change that as well. In this case, it's a gas. The model year is a 2025. And then you're going to see pop up is going to be, it wants to know the vehicle's MSRP, otherwise known as the base MSRP, before added options or before any destination charge. So to get that, I'm going to go to Dealer Connect. I'm going to log in, and we're going to go to my inventory, and we're going to go ahead and find us a Ram. So we're going to go in here, inventory, and we're going to go with a Ram 1500. Let's go with one of these four. Let's go ahead and take this one right here, and I'm going to go ahead and display my invoice. Okay, so here on my invoice, what I am looking at is this number right here, 46,200, before any options and before any destination. That is my base MSRP, $46,200. So I am going to go back to my screen here, 46,200, and put that in. If this happened to be a used car, I would go see my sales manager, and the sales manager would be able to look up in Dealertrack DMS the base MSRP or the weight fee that's inputted from the office staff. So they're going to be able to give you that value to plug in, input there. Sales managers, if you do not see any value put into Dealertrack DMS on the inventory vehicle information page, then you are going to go ahead and go to vAuto as a backup, and in vAuto you're going to go to the book out page and print off, or at least look up, what the base MSRP is through JD Power. Okay. After I have that, is this vehicle being titled for the first time? If it's brand new, it's yes. No, if it's used, or if it's a courtesy transportation vehicle, that is no. That vehicle has already been titled. My plate options, if the customer doesn't want anything specific, I'm going to go with my standard plate. and then I am going to change my background. Again, if the customer wanted the Mackinac Bridge plate, we would go ahead and select whichever plate they want. Standard if no other option is selected. Do I want to personalize? No. Is it for a business? No. And it's going to want the owner's date of birth. So you're going to go ahead and put that in. And then the purchase date, whatever the day is that they're buying the vehicle, you're going to go ahead and input. Recreational passport is to get into the state parks. If they don't want that, no. And I'm going to go ahead and calculate fees at the end here. So $195 if I was getting this Ram 1500 for myself. Plate's good for 8 months. I'm going to right click on my web page and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to print that off to file with the rest of my paperwork in my deal jacket. Okay, so that is to do a brand new plate. If I was going to go ahead and transfer a plate, I'm going to go ahead and type in transfer fee calculator, and you're going to see that I get my plate transfer fee calculator as an option. Select that. You have to put in the plate number, and it's important to always verify the vehicle registration and make sure that it is a current vehicle registration, not expired, that we are transferring. Secondly, check the owner of the individual listed on the registration. It has to go from that same person to the next vehicle, or immediate family members is okay. Anybody else will not be able to transfer that plate to their vehicle. Search. As long as it is a current plate, it's going to find it. And then I answer the questions. Do I want to change my design? No. Let's go with the same thing, my Ram 1500. It's a pickup truck. It is gas, as we said. It's a 2025. And we said that was $46,200 as my base MSRP. Is it being entitled for the first time? Yes, it is brand new. I do not want to add a recreational passport, so in this case, the standard $15 is what I would need to go ahead and print this off to file with my paperwork to transfer the plate. So hopefully this helps. This is a step-by-step guide again of how to calculate the Michigan plate fee.